Fourth.
Yes, what is the case against your client and what is the order of the court today?
Okay, so the issue pertains to an incident wherein the allegations of the complainant in the complaint is that on the 24th of September 2025, her child, who is a student of a reputed school based at Sange, was assaulted by his own headmistress in that particular school. Accordingly, she goes and she lodges a complaint before the Sange police station on that particular day, and the investigation officer was pleased to register an offence on the applicant, that is my client, and the sections imposed herein are section 1152, which is akin to section 323 of IPC. Second would be section 125 into bracket A, which is akin to section 336 of IPC, and third would be section 82 of the Goa Children's Act. Now it is pertinent to note that section 8 into bracket 2 of the Goa Children's Act should be exclusively triable by the Honorable Children's Court based at Panjim. Accordingly, the applicant, my client, was served with a notice under section 35.3. Now 35.3 is akin to section 41A of CRPC. What this talks about? Now this basically talks about a notice under the 35.3 talks about a pre-arrest notice. Now my client, that is the applicant, was asked to appear before the investigation officer on the 26th of September. Accordingly, she has complied with the notice. Now failure to comply with section 35.3 would make her liable for an arrest under section 35.4 and 35.5. Accordingly, she has appeared before the IO. She has fully cooperated with the investigation twice, not only once but twice. Now, as she was directed to remain present before the IO again, it was important to file an anticipatory bail before the Honorable Children's Court, as section 8 subclause 2 was applicable herein. So we applied for an anticipatory bail and we appeared before the Children's Court at Pato. As the Honorable President was on leave on that particular day, this case of anticipatory bail had to be placed before the Honorable District Judge at Mirse, Goa, and which was kept for arguments yesterday. We had argued on behalf of the applicant yesterday, and our arguments was canvassed, and today it was reserved for orders. Accordingly, the Honorable Judge was pleased to pass an order and allowing our anticipatory bail application by imposing certain conditions.
What are the conditions?
Now the conditions are to cooperate with the investigation. Second condition would be to remain present before the investigation officer as and when directed, and third would be normal conditions.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.